This video is for class 6 mathematics and we are doing ratio exercise 11C. So from this exercise we are doing the first 5 numerical problems, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Please do it in your exercise book. So this is the another kind of problem where a sum is given to you all, like rupees 220, and from that sum it has to be divided into 2 parts or 3 parts depending upon the ratio. The ratio given to us here is 5:3. So this kind of sum has certain steps. Okay, the first step, let me read the question first. Rupees 120 is to be divided between Hari and Gopi, in the ratio 5:3. That means Hari is getting 5 part and Gopi is getting 3 part of your sum. So how much does each get? So for that you need to know the total part. The total part you'll get by adding this ratio. For example, here total amount given to us is rupees 120, right? And then the ratio given to us is 5:3. First thing, you are supposed to find the sum of the ratio. You need to add these two, like here 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Then the next step will be you have to take out Hari's share. To take out Hari's share, what they have done is they have done 120 multiplied by 5 upon 8. So why does this come? Actually this comes, Hari is getting 5 part, right? 5 out of 8 multiplied by the amount given to us, that was rupees 120. That's what they have done. So if you cancel this, right, you'll get your answer. So let me cancel this. I think this can be cancelled by 4 2 is 8 and 4 3 is 12 and 0. 2 1 times and 2 15 times. So if I multiply, I'll get 5 into 15 as 75. That is Hari's share. Now we can get Gopi's share also. So Gopi gets 3 parts, right? 3 parts. Gopi gets 3 parts. 3 parts of what? Of 8. That's the total. Multiplied by, what's the total sum here? 120. So here also we can cancel it. Like previously we had cancelled it. Now also we can cancel. So it goes 15 times, right? 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 carry over. 4, 8, 5 is 40. So 3 into 15 will give me 45. 3 into 15 will give me 45. So that is Gopi's share. I hope you understood this. I'm again revising it, right? In this kind of sum, amount will be given to you, any value will be given to you, and a ratio will be given to you. That has to be, the amount has to be divided in the given ratio. So what you're supposed to do is, first step, you're supposed to add the ratio. After adding the ratio, you'll get the total amount. Then what happens is, then you start dividing the share. So Hari's share will be, Hari, actually the name comes first here, so first value is 5. So what happens, you have to write 5 upon 8, that's the total value, into 120. So after cancellation you'll get 75. And Gopi's share 3 upon 8 into 120, then you'll get rupees 45. Okay, let us try the next one. Okay, the next question is, divide 72 in the ratio 2.5:1.5. So 2 whole 1 upon 2 is to 1 whole 1 upon 2. My first step will be, I have to convert this into a simpler form. We have done in exercise 11A. I have to convert this into a simpler form. How to convert it into a simpler form? What am I supposed to do? My first step was convert it into a improper fraction. That's what they have done, convert it into a improper fraction. They have converted it into improper fraction. 2 into 2 plus 1 is 5 here. So 5 upon 2 is to, after conversion, 5 upon 2 is to 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3 upon 2, right? We are getting this ratio. Now you know the steps to change it into an into a proper ratio, a simplest form ratio. You are supposed to find the LCM of the denominator. After finding the LCM of the denominator, we are supposed to multiply with each fraction. Here, that's what we have done. So 5 upon 2 into 2 and 3 upon 2 into 2, this 2 is the LCM of the denominator, right? This 2 and 2 gets cancelled, this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, hence we get the ratio as what will be the ratio? The ratio will be, I'm writing it here, the ratio will be 5:3, like before. The ratio will be 5:3. Then what they have done is they have added the ratio as in the previous sum. 5 plus 3 is 8. After they have added, then you have to divide that particular sum. The sum given to us was 72. So first divide will be 5 upon 8. The first term here, the ratio was 5:3. So first term upon the sum multiplied by the given amount. So then we can get 45. I think this can be cancelled. 8 1 times and 8 9 times. So 5 into 9 will give me 45, right? Then the next one will be, either you can subtract, okay, or second divide will be 3 upon 8. Here you can subtract and get the answer. 72 minus 45 will give me 27. That's what you can do. Or 3 upon 8, the second term was 3 upon 8 multiplied by 72, amount was 72. Again this can be cancelled, this can be cancelled by 8 1 times and 8 9 times, and 3 into 9 will give me 27. That's what we have done in number 2. So if you are familiar with this kind of sums, so you can do number 3 4 and 5. Otherwise please continue watching the video. Coming to the next question number 3. Here you are supposed to divide 81, that's the amount given to us, into 3 parts, that is 2:3:4. So I think you can, first part, second part and third part, I think you can do it. If you can do it, please pause the video and do it. So coming to the solution, the given ratio was 2:3:4. The first step is to find the sum. The sum of ratio is 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 9. And the first part will be 2 upon 9. First number was 2 upon 9 multiplied by 81. This was the amount given to us. I think this cancellation is quite easy, right? Let us see. 9 1 times and 9 times will give me 81. So 2 into 9 is 18, right? Similarly, second part, 3 upon 9, because the second term is 3. So 3 upon 9, 9 1 times and 9 times. So 3 into 9 is 27. And the last one, 4 upon 9. So your 4 was the last term upon 9. So 9 1 times, again 9 times will give me 4 into 9 as 36. So how to recheck whether it is right or wrong? If you add all these 3 values, suppose you add all these 3 values here, you should get 81, because this 81 is divided into 3 parts, that is 18, 27 and 36. If you get 81, then your answer is right, then your answers are right. Okay, so this is the cross check for your sum. Then we can go to the next number. The next number is number 4. Coming to the next number 4, divide 10,400 among A, B and C, like the previous sum number 1, Hari and Gopi. Here we have A, B and C in the ratio 1 upon 2 is to 1 upon 3 is to 1 upon 4. Our first step is to convert the given ratio in the simplest form. So the steps were, first find the LCM of these 2, 3 and 4. The LCM will be 12. Please try it, okay? And multiply each fraction by that LCM. This was the steps we had already done in exercise 11a. Now after the multiplication with 12, right, our ratio will be 6:4:3, because 2 1 times and 2 6 times, right? 3 1 time and 3 4 times, and 4 1 time and 4 3 times. So my ratio is 6:4:3. Now as you all know the steps, first you need to add the ratio, the terms of the ratio. So that is 6 plus 4 plus 3, which is 13, right? Then A's part is the first one. The A's part is 6 upon this 13 multiplied by the given amount. The amount was 10,400. Now this 13 can cancel this 10,400 800 times. Okay, it can cancel 800 times. Please do the division and check. So 13 into 800 should give me 10,400. So then 800 into 6 will give me 4,800, right? It will give me 4,800. Similarly, B's part will be 4 upon 13, 4 upon 13, 4 upon 13. Then we have multiplied by the amount, that is 10,400. Again the same cancellation, hence 4 into 800 will give me 3,200. And the last one, 3 upon 13 multiplied by 10,400. Again the same cancellation here, and I should get 3 into 800, that is 2,400. If you want to cross check, please add all this and it should come up to 10,400. Let us check. So 4,800 plus 3,200 plus 2,400. So if you add all this, it should come up to 0 0 8 19 14, 1 carry over, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, that means our answer is correct. So this is how you cross check, right? Then we can go to the last number of this exercise, which you are supposed to do. That's number 5. Okay, coming to the question number 5, let us read the question. A profit of rupees 2,500, a profit of rupees 2,500 is to be shared among 3 persons in the ratio 6:9:10. How much does each person get? Okay, let us see. So first thing, the ratio is given in the simplest form, right? So less number of steps. Then first thing we need to add it. So given sum is 2,500, given ratio is 6:9:10, and the sum of the ratio is 25. The sum of the ratio is 25. So now the first person's share will be 6 upon 25 into 2,500. I think this cancellation is quite easy, right? 25 1 times and 25 100 times. So 6 into 100 will give me 600 here. Then next, second person's share will be 9 upon 25 into 2,500. So again 25 can cancel 2,500 by 100 times. So 9 into 100 will give me 900, second share. And the third share will be 10 upon 25, which is 10 upon 25 into 2,500, which is 1,000. If you add all these numbers, I should get 2,500. Please try it. Okay, that's all for exercise 11C. Thank you so much.